Hi, Nicholas. Hi, Jacques. Are you playing an astronaut, Jacques? Oops, sorry for the distraction. Are you hurt? And the moon has lower gravity. If you fall there, you won't be hurt at all. So, what about flying to the moon? You'll need a very special car for that trip. Well, have you decided on the car? I'm afraid it's a bad idea. You'll need a lot of speed to overcome Earth's gravity. Not bad, but you'll need to move upwards and not drive. Okay, Jacques, knock it off. There you go, exactly what you needed. And what about you? You need to prepare as well. Yep, space beware. And where's Jacques, Nicholas? Jacques, it's time to get into the rocket. It'll be safer that way. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, launch! What speed? Just a little higher and you'll leave the atmosphere. Awesome! You did it! It's amazing how the Earth looks so small from space. Oh, look! An asteroid! How beautiful! Whoa, another one! And even more! It's an asteroid field, guys! Be careful! Oof! It looks like we made it. And what is that? Oh no! A black hole! Oh no! We're getting sucked into it! Our engines don't have enough power! What should we do? Wow, that's hyperspeed! Whoa, you seem to bump into something. Ah, it's the moon! You did it, guys! The moon's gravity is so low that you're almost floating, Nicholas. Congratulations, the moon is conquered. What's there, Nicholas? Looks like someone's footprint. Is there someone else on the moon? We need to find out. Wow, it's your old friend, Mr. Space Duck. Are you living here, Mr. Space Duck? He's just come here on a picnic. Jacques, Nicholas, do you want to join him? Jacques is really hungry. See, Jacques, it's totally okay to fall on the moon. Wow, Jacques, you're a flying space crocodile now.